front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Then click on this little icon of a photo and a paper clip at the bottom right corner. Now you can hold your photos right away from recent files and even tap on Images filter at the top to make it easier to look. But you can also just tap on one of those apps and select all of your pictures that you wish to attach. To save them, hit Done at the top right corner and wait. As you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. But you can always click on the same icon and this time tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Then access one of those available sources, like Downloads. Hold your photos and tap on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, all of my pictures were successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!